Dear student, welcome to VPMB Polytechnic Computer Department. My subject name is MCAD and unit number 3, Android activities and GUI designing concept. And my current topic is toggle button. Objective of this session. First of all, introduction of toggle button. How to create toggle button. And after that, we will see practical of toggle button. So let's start with introduction of toggle button. So this is a toggle button in which there are two states, off state and on state. We have to change the state of this button. So this button is known as a toggle button. So Android toggle button can be used to display checked or unchecked. You can consider as an on or off state on the button. It is beneficial if user have to change the setting between the two states. It can be used to on and off sound, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. These all are the example of a toggle button. Now, various classes of toggle button. So toggle button class provide the facility of creating the toggle button. XML attributes of toggle button. Mainly there are two XML attributes, text off and text on. So text off attributes means the text for the button when it is not checked. In the reverse side, text on means the text for the button when it is in a checked condition. So whenever we are drag and drop toggle button into our XML file, at that time we have to set this two XML attribute, text off and text on. Now various methods of toggle button. So the widely used methods for toggle button class are these. First method is get text off method. So it will return the text when button is not in the checked state. Second method is get text on method. So it will return text for the button when button is in the checked state. Another method is set checked, in which we are passing a Boolean arguments. So it will change the checked state of this button. Now example of toggle button. So first in activity underscore main.xml file, this is our layout file. Here we have to drag and drop toggle button from the palette window. So for that, coding is this, the toggle button tag, two main attributes, text on attributes and text off attributes. On and off are message. When button is in on condition, on message will be displayed. Button is in off condition, off message will be displayed. Then after in Java file. So first of all, we need to create variable for a toggle button. Our variable is a TB, toggle button TB. Now find out the view by using find view by ID method. So here TB is equal to toggle button, find view by ID from the resource folder, ID component, toggle button 1 is a ID for toggle button. Then after we are setting a listener, because here we have to click on the toggle button. So we have to set the listener for that. So TB dot set on check change listener. Here we are using on check change listener. So it responds when the user click on the toggle button. So using anonymous inner class method, we are register our listener to the TB object. So after that, we will get handler on check changed. It is known as an auto-generated method also, in which we are checking a state of a toggle button. If it will return true, then we are going to print one message on the screen. Toggle button is on using toast. So here we are creating a toast. Toast T1 is equal to toast dot make text. How to create a toast using make test method. 3 arguments we are passing. First is context object, second is message, and third is a duration. If it will return false, then else portion. So here also we are creating a toast with the message toggle button is in off condition. So toast T2 is equal to toast dot make test, context object, message, and duration. And lastly, for showing a toast, we are using show method T2 dot show. So this is a coding for main activity dot Java file. Now we will see it practically. So here I have created activity underscore main dot XML file in which I have dragged one toggle button. So from the palette window, toggle button is available. So here you have to drag and drop the toggle button like this. So XML file. So this is a XML file for toggle button. 2 attributes are main, text on attribute and text off attribute. So save your file first. In Java file, first declare object for toggle button TV. Then after find that particular view using find view by ID method. So TV is equal to toggle button, find view by ID method r.id. This is ID for toggle button, which is used in XML file. So this is the ID. Here we have used that ID, toggle button 1. Now register your listener with the object. So tv.set on check changed listener. So this is the coding for the toggle button. So whenever we are clicking on button at that time, if it is a true condition, then it will return toggle button is on. Otherwise, it will return toggle button is a off. So after running your application, you will get output like this. So this is the toggle button. Whenever I clicking on this button at that time, toast message will be generated. Toggle button is on. Once again, I'm clicking on this button, toast message, toggle button is in off condition. So this is the output of a toggle button. Thank you.